Hey guys, today we are playing Facility Facility for my first YouTube video. Facility Facility is a fun game where the point of the game is to hack all 5 computers and escape the facility, flee from the beast. You can get captured by the beast, but I'll probably get captured, so you'll see that later in gameplay. I wonder if there's a computer nearby. Oof, what was that? Ooh, computer. So, this might not be the most intense gameplay, but it'll be fun for me, not for anyone who's watching this. Okay, anyways, I'm just gonna hack this computer right here, hopefully not get attacked. If I see the beast, I'm gonna try and mess with him a little bit, because why not? Typically, all the kids I go up against in this game are not the most skilled players. Well, I'm only level 4 on this game, but I kinda picked it up fast. I'm sure that anyone else who plays it will probably pick it up pretty fast. I thought I heard him. No, I didn't hear him. Rip. So what am I gonna do about this? Oh, I'm almost having. I'm just gonna start finishing stuff. I don't care if I get it wrong. There's another way to do it. I just have to back up. It's just faster. So I'm about to be done hacking this computer. Ooh, there's only 3 computers left on us. Got it wrong. Ooh, okay, computer's done. Gotta go. Gotta go fast. Ooh, another computer. They're like right next to each other. What is this? Yo. This beast, where is he? Come on, man, get on your job. What you doing? Okay, okay. I bet he's going to that computer right now. He's gonna be like, he's gonna be trying super hard. Okay. I hear him. Yo. I hear him. He's nearby. Okay. I think the beast and this girl are friends. Help me. Oh no, she's talking to a friend on the team. She's saying help me, but why does she need help? She's not even frozen yet. She can do it. You're a big girl. You got this. Awesome girl, Shelby. Oh, Unicorn Fun was captured. Gotta go save her. It's another problem. I'm not in the game. Well, that's also her. I have to go save her now. Okay, let's just see. Oh, the last computer. I don't have to save you. I just have to win the game. So, I'd like to be a good teammate and save you, but I honestly don't feel like it right now. If the beast captures me, dude, that's such an instant karma. I bet I sound super bad right now. Oof. Doesn't matter. Okay, anyways, let's I'm gonna play 2 matches of this game, try to get some gameplay as the beast. Hopefully get a better beast up in here. I had no beast action this whole match. This is extremely boring to watch. About to computer about to escape. No, dude. Come on, beast. Come on. I want some action. Go for the door. I'm carrying my team right now. Yo. Awesome girl. No. Okay. Awesome girl's a little bit peeved in the chat. Opening this door, making all the noise in the world. Beast is probably like, you finna die. I'm like, yes, Shell. I'm assuming this girl's name is Shelby, the dog. I don't know. The dog is named Shelby. Maybe her name is Shell, maybe her parents just named her Shell. I don't really know why, but okay. So anyways, guys, that's the first match of this. Just for the facility. Oh no, Shell died. Yes, Shell. No, Shell. Oh my god, Shell. Wow, we all care so much. Fun unicorn, unicorn fun was captured. What a gamer moment. Just jump around the hallway. I'm gonna jump around the water. I don't know what I'm doing right now. Looks pretty sus. Okay. Yo, is that Awesome Gamer? Awesome Gamer! Yo, Awesome Gamer, I'm a big fan. I'm a big fan. Yo, Awesome Gamer, yo. I want Awesome Gamer's autograph, yay. I just follow these kids and see what they say. Like, she's mad. Hola. She told me to go. Why? I'm gonna go through the secret tunnel. Haha, it's like you thought. Yeah, these kids are a little bit mad. She's wearing that Gucci right now. She's about to rant at me. Meeting to us. It's fall. It's fall. It's fall. Yes. God, these kids are so mad. Oh, you're such. What is this girl doing? She doesn't know anything. I've already been down here like 30 million times. It's not so special to you. What are you doing? Hello. Coming for you, unicorn girl. From the beast, you're dead. Move, kid. What are you doing? This kid is stupid. Okay. Oh, you're in a secret cave. Okay, so. Who's your man? I'm gonna play one more match of this. Sorry about that, I was checking something. Ooh, the beast was saying hashtags in the chat. That's not very nice. Ooh, that's not nice. I'm sad. The beast is gonna bully me. Don't kill me, Shell, okay? Why? I'm just gonna ask these kids why they're teaming. They're probably like 9 right now. I'll help you. They're gonna target me, bet. You're stupid. You're not a gamer. Stop it, Loli. Stop. You know what? She's gonna get it wrong like 1,000 times. This beast is legally out of it. So, yeah, everyone's getting it wrong. That's not what you do. That's not what you do. Stop. Stop. You get it wrong, I swear to gosh. Now, this guy's just trying to grind XP. I just want to see what happens to the beast. I'm gonna try to troll this kid, like facts. You've gotten the computer wrong twice in a row now. Why? You're ruining the game for me. I'm sad. I'm so sad. Hello. Let's dance. Stupid. This kid's still so dumb. What are you doing? She's so bad. I'm escaping. So this is not good gameplay right here. These kids are just being absolutely like stupid. Like they're teaming and she doesn't understand how to caption. You have to tie with someone by she's trying so hard to do it. Oh, quick skills. Oh, you're mad. You're so bad. Oh, you're so mad. You just this girl's so angry. I bet she's gonna camp in the courtyard at that computer all game. Like, honestly, let's make a bet about that. I bet you nothing that girl's gonna camp there all game. You know, she's a little bit of a freaky freak in the brain, probably. A little cray-cray. Bet, ready? Oh no, Lil Lake, are you okay? That's my best friend right there. I don't think she's okay. I think she's sad. I don't even know this kid. Over here, Shell. These kids need to calm down. Stop trying to expose me. I'm just trying to play the game, kid. Okay. Well, this video hasn't been what I planned for it to be, but these kids are kind of a little sus right now. They're probably like best friends, going into 3rd grade, something like that. Chilling, just playing some Roblox and just teaming because they're trying to make this game worse for everybody else. Ooh, another computer. Let's just hack this, and then I'm gonna finish up the video. No, I'm gonna finish this game first before I finish up the video. Let's all hack this computer. We have speed. You get it wrong. Just keep acting. Just quick hacks. We don't have 11 minutes. We don't got time for that. We don't have time for that, Lil Lake. I gotta end this video. I gotta do something. Check out your tablet for my opinions. Got 9 more minutes. If my team can Beast, you're dumb. You're so dumb. Absolutely. Dude, did she just not go this way? Are you serious? We're just gonna keep hacking. Just keep hacking. Just keep hacking. Doesn't matter. This goes bot. They're not teaming anymore. That's straight facts. I think it's Unicorn Fun and Awesome Girl that are teaming. You know, I'm not paying attention to their usernames. Yeah, these little rats. I don't know what she said. This doesn't seem very appropriate. PG Clean, not nice. She said hiding. Dude, she's low-key stupid. We hacked the computer. Let's do this, dude. One more computer. This beast. She's typing. I'm scared. I'm scared for my life. Guys, let's hack it. Whoa, what are you doing? She wants to kill me, the Sonic guy, guys. She's so peeved. She's so peeved right now. She's like, literally, she wants to kill me. Wow. My feelings are hurt. I don't care if we get it wrong. We just won the game. So this gameplay's been a little better than the first match. I mean, at least the Beast wasn't. You're mad. Can't say it pretty fast at all. But I just told her she was mad because, you know, she is mad. Let's go, Little Lake. We got this. We got this. We got this. If she says he's on me, like near me, I swear. Let's get out of here. Let's get out of here. Let's do this, Little Lake. My best friend. Come on. Okay, I'm just won the game. Thank you, everyone who is gonna watch this video. Hopefully, you're gonna watch this. Thank you so much. My name's Hesitant Sonic Dasher. Don't ask me why. And I'll be tuning out for the day. Peace.